Hey guys, it's Allie with Larry Hudson Chev, and today we're going to show you how to connect this iPhone to Apple Carplay on this Buick Enclave. First click Apple Carplay and then connect to phone. And then it will prompt you on the screen and make sure this My Buick matches My Buick. And then you want these codes to match. And then click pair on both screens. And then if you want your contacts and favorites synced, click allow. And then on this screen it'll say press continue if you consent to using CarPlay, and then once more on this screen. Then it just checks the phone for messages. Then it pops up and it has a bunch of different features like phone for calling, music, you can connect your Apple Music you have downloaded onto the screen here, maps for navigation, and you can use talk to text and messages. And then this shows you what music's playing as well as calendar and settings with a bunch of different features. This is how you use Apple CarPlay. If you have any questions or issues with it, just reach out to us at the dealership at Larry Hudson Chev.